These two mattress vacuums look pretty similar, and they're designed to do essentially the same job, but the newer one is cordless and has boost mode. So I wanted to know, does the cordless FEPPO actually clean better, or are you mostly paying to get rid of the cord? I tested them side by side on my mattress and my sofa, and one of them did pick up more, but the difference wasn't nearly as dramatic as I expected. FEPPO sent me their cordless vacuum for this review, but they didn't tell me what to say or get any input in the results. I purchased the original FEPPO myself. Before I get into the test, these are both dedicated mattress and upholstery vacuums, and they have a lot in common. Both have automatic tapping that helps loosen dust and particles from the fabric, and both use UV light designed for additional mattress cleaning. And both are extremely simple to use. The original FEPPO really only has one setting, on. The cordless version gives you a little more control because in addition to its normal setting, it has boost mode when you want some extra power. And of course, the biggest practical difference is right in the name. There's no cord. For the first test, I used my king-size mattress. And this is exactly why I think mattress vacuums are such an interesting product to test. Looking at this mattress, there really isn't anything to vacuum up. The surface looks clean, but I divided the mattress straight down the middle and used one FEPPO on each half. I tried to keep this test as even as possible as I worked my way around each half of the mattress, giving every section 2 quick passes. Both vacuums were easy to maneuver, but this is one place where I immediately appreciated the cordless model. On a king mattress, you're moving over a pretty large area, and not having a cord dragging behind you, getting tangled around the bed, or having to switch outlets is genuinely convenient. The advantage would probably be even more noticeable if you're cleaning a large sectional or other furniture, or if the closest outlet isn't conveniently located. But convenience isn't what I really wanted to measure. I wanted to see what was actually inside these dustbins. I'll put links to both FEPPO vacuums down in the description so you can check current prices and see whether the cordless upgrade makes sense for you. And if side-by-side tests like this help you figure out which home products are actually worth buying, make sure you subscribe. I test these products in my own home so you can see how they perform in real-world use. First, here's what the original corded FEPPO picked up. And considering this mattress looked completely clean before I started, that's a pretty impressive amount of dust and debris. Then I opened the cordless FEPPO, and it picked up a little more. It wasn't night and day difference, but on this test, the cordless model was the winner. And remember, the cordless version also had that boost mode available if I wanted even more power. So after the mattress test, I'd give the cordless FEPPO the advantage for both cleaning power and convenience. But I wanted to try them on another surface before calling it. For the second test, I moved over to my sofa. This time I gave each vacuum its own cushion. Again, I kept the method identical, 1 stroke forward and 1 stroke back until I covered the entire cushion. And once again, the amount they picked up was pretty surprising considering these cushions didn't look particularly dirty. But this time, there wasn't much separating the two vacuums. Both pulled a substantial amount of dust and debris out of the cushions, and the results were very similar. So while the cordless model had an advantage on my mattress, it didn't consistently blow the original FEPPO away. And I actually think that's important if you're trying to decide which one to buy. After using both, I don't think the original FEPPO suddenly became a bad buy just because the cordless version exists. It doesn't. But both of these are solid mattress and upholstery vacuums, and both picked up a surprising amount of material from surfaces that looked clean. The cordless FEPPO does have some real advantages. You don't have to deal with the cord, which is especially nice on a king-size mattress, large furniture, or in a room where an outlet isn't right next to what you're cleaning. You also get the additional boost setting, and in my mattress test, it picked up a little more than the original. But the difference in actual cleaning performance wasn't enormous. On my sofa test, they were basically neck and neck. While the original will get the job done, in my testing, the option for extra power with boost mode and not having to fight with the cord made the cordless option a little nicer to use. I'll leave links to both below so you can compare current prices. These are affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission if you purchase through them at no additional cost to you. And subscribe if you want to see more real-world product comparisons like this one.